You say I make you nervous, a tragedy, I'm a beautiful disaster, a reckoning, you wonder how I got this way. You think I'm someone to be saved.
Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful wig. There's a photo shared with you on my YouTube stories and WhatsApp status, and most of you wanted to know how to make that wig. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make it. The only difference is just the color. Yeah, I was also planning to give away some of my wigs. I was supposed to make the giveaway video on Friday, but I decided to add a twist streak to that giveaway, so I'm still working on the twist streak. I'll make the giveaway video in the course of the week, so make sure you participate on that giveaway. And also want to thank you guys for your support. Thank you for buying my wigs, thank you for sharing my videos, thank you for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. And also for those people who are learning from me, I'm so happy guys that you're also learning from my videos. So if you're interested in any of my wigs, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below, so you can contact me and I will make it for you. Okay, so let's get into the tutorial.
You think I'm someone to be saved, someone to clean up.
This is the cap that I'm going to use. You can use whichever cap that you have, and then if you want to add baby hair on the sides, or if you want it to look more natural, you can just sew a lace on the side. I have several videos where I've sewn a lace on the cap and created the baby hair, so I'll also put some links in the description box down below, or you can watch my previous videos where I sew lace on the cap and just made the wig look more natural. I'll be using this braids. I think I used 5 or 6 pieces. There's a tutorial I shared with you on how to make this braid. Also put it in the description box down below. And I'm also going to use this hair. I've used this hair before, so this is just like a piece that was left. I've used this wig before, this new Viva before, and I really loved it for this style and also for mohawk style. So if you can get this hair with this type, I advise you to use this type because it actually was just so beautiful when I used this hair. I didn't want to use this hair because I didn't have the 1/30 braid expression braids. I had black, so I just wanted to use hair that is, you know, black. But then if you can get this type, then just go for it. So the next step is to pin down the braids and then sew them on the cap.
Faded in this dark and smoky room, way out, face reflecting bright green, brights and blues. You know I can't go on to disappear with you, but I don't think that is what I would usually do. You know it's just that I felt the heat the moment he pressed his lips up against mine. Don't wanna this whole thing up like I do every time. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You know I'm fire in my heart, yeah. Run free, so I drown them out at night with my TV. You know I got to try to ignore these thoughts that go back and forth inside my head. I should stop before I'm in too deep and I can't go back. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You're the wildfire in my heart, yeah. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You're the wildfire in my heart, yeah. me addicted several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. Still, every time, whatever it is, I keep on trying. 'Cause it ain't hard to forgive when you know what it's like. That's why I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale.
Here's the wig. I'm not going to add any combs or elastic band on it, but if you feel like it doesn't fit you well, you can add combs, you can add an elastic band. But for me, I think it just works so well like this, so I'm just going to wear it without the combs and the bands. I'm going to use the band that is here already, that is on the cap. Yeah.
You don't need a killer dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. I don't need no.
So let me try it on, guys, and just comment below if you love this wig, if you can try it. Yeah.
I'm still waiting for the answers to the universe, waiting for someone to.
So if you add combs, then you don't need to wear a cap. Personally, I don't love wearing caps in my wigs.
Tell me that this is all just a dream. I'm still waiting for a different.
So for those people who love baby hair, you can just leave out your hair like on the sides and then apply gel. But with my hair, it never behaves, so I can't even leave my hair out to do the baby hair.
Make you nervous, a tragedy, I'm a beautiful disaster, a reckoning, you wonder how I got this way. You think I'm someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame. Oh, some things never change, never change. Oh. You think I would look pretty on your arm once you cover up my bruises and battle scars, but it always ends the same. Can't bear the things I've had to face. Got you crying on your knees in pain. Oh, some things never change, never change. You'll break your back to make me feel again. Suffocate to make me breathe again. Lose your mind from endless pain. Some things never change, never change. Redemption ever came. I stopped asking for forgiveness, cause you should know only fools tread where the angels fear to go, but you keep trying to get too close. Save myself by turning into stone. So save your judgment cause you just don't know. But some things never change, never change. They say I should feel guilty and change my ways, leaving crumpled bodies in my wake. Swear I didn't mean to make them break. Swear I didn't mean to make them break. But they're so delicate and so mundane, and they keep coming like a moth to a flame. Oh, some things never change, never change. You'll break your back to make me feel again. Suffocate to make me breathe again. Lose your mind from endless pain. Some things never change, never change. Redemption.
So that was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you learned something from this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.